हॅलो हाय, आम्ही असं ओल्ड गोवा सांगपाची गरज ना. फाटल्यान तुम्ही टेंट जो पळोवंक शकता थंय प्रोटेस्ट चल्लेलो तो कालूच केला टू डिफरंट लोकेशन. सो ते बोर्ड सुद्दां लायिल्लो आसा की सायट आसा, प्रोटेस्ट सायट जी आसा ती चेंज जाल्ली आसा म्हणून. सो वचया तेंकां थंय मेळया, विचारया तेंकां थोडे अपडेट्स आनी प्रोटेस्ट सायट कित्याक बेजिकली चेंज केल्या हेंय जाणून घेवया. सो खूब जाणांक आमकां खबर आसतलें न्यू प्रोटेस्ट सायट खंय आहा ती, पूण तरी आसतना हांव तुमकां गायड करता थ्रू द पाथ. सो या थंय आमी वचया, मेळया, प्रश्न विचारया आनी जाणून घेवया नवे अपडेट्स आनी कित्याक हांगासरली प्रोटेस्ट सायट जी चेंज केली तें जाणून घेवया. सो या. हॅलो मॅम, आमी आसा एना ग्रेसियस मॅम वांगडा. आनी मॅम, सगळ्यान पयली सुवातेर तूं सगळ्या गोंयकारांक जे कोण तुका आतां ह्या विडियोंतल्यान पळयता, पयलीं आमकां सांग खंय आहा तूं?
सगळ्या गोंयकारांक म्हज्या भाव भयणांक हांव नमस्कार करता. आयज 15वो दीस आमच्या उपासाचो. मातशी हेल्थ बिगडलेली आसा, पूण तरी आसतना जीत हांव घेतला ही, आनी ही जीत हांव पुरी करतलें की जे मेरेन डेमोलिशन जायना ते मेरेन हांव हें सोडचें ना.
ओके, पूण अबावट यू पर्सनली, अबावट यू, हाव आर यू? Can to 15 days from starting,
Yeah, my
how are
health
you?
is very much deteriorated, and I'm just not feeling well, and I can't speak also. I'm just feeling suffocated and all, but still I have that spirit to continue. I have my willpower still alive.
मॅम, तुमचे कशें डेली ट्रॅव्हल करता तुमी चिंबलाच्यान गोंया, काय हाव इज इट?
No, I travel from Chimber to Ribanda, from Ribanda to Old Goa every day.
ओके मॅम, आनी पोटा पाण्याचें कशें?
एक्चुली हांगा हांव कांयच घेयना, ओन्ली मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट तोवूय लायट घेता, कित्याक म्हाका सकाळी फुडें म्हाका ब्रेकफास्ट चलना. आनी अशें उपाशी रावन म्हाका रातचें जेवण पासून चलना. आय डोंट फील लायक इटींग, बिकॉज आय डोंट नो माय हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम इश्यूज आसा ओ कितें, बट आय नेवर हॅड दीज इश्यूज, एंड आय थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ फास्टींग हें म्हाका जालां.
मॅम, एक म्हाका तुमकां मुद्दम विचारूशें दिसता की प्रोटेस्ट सायट जी चेंज जाल्या काल, सो हेचें कारण कितें नेमकें?
आय डिडंट गेट युअर पॉयंट. मीन्स
मॅम, प्रोटेस्ट सायट थंय आसली न्हू नियर द गेट, ती आतां काल हांगासर शिफ्ट जाली. सो शिफ्ट कित्याक जाली प्रोटेस्ट सायट? आनी सेकेंड क्वेश्चन म्हणजे, इज इट गोईंग टू अफेक्ट हे प्रोटेस्ट? कारण एक अशें आसा की थंय खूब गर्दी आसताली, लोक येता वयता, पूण आतां प्रोटेस्ट सायट चेंज जाल्या. सो इज इट गोईंग टू अफेक्ट द प्रोटेस्ट?
एक्चुली आमी थिंगासान कित्याक शिफ्ट जाला हांगा हें सगळें म्हाज्या भाव भयणांक एक हांव सांगूंक सोदतां. फकत कितें न्हू, ते आमी रस्त्याक आसले, आनी रस्त्याक आसोन थिंगा आमकां ट्रॅफिकाक कंजेशन करपाक नाका, कित्याक गाडयो येवन थिंगा स्टॉप जाताले. आनी आमची खूब भाव भयणां थिंगा येवन बसोन वतान थिंगा जायनासलें. ते एक पेमेंट ते म्हणजे रस्त्याचे लोकांक चलपाक, आनी बसी तर गेल्या जाल्यार ट्युरिस्टांक तेजे वयल्यान चलोंक मेळचें नासलें म्हण. आनी हे सगळे चिंतून आमी चिंतले हिंगा शिफ्ट करपाक, कित्याक क्रावड दिसान दीस वाडत वेता. आनी तरी आमी 2-2 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमी आपयला हिंगा, आमकां सपोर्टाक ते येयल्या. आनी हो लोक थिंगा जावचो नासलो, आनी ते हॉटसान आनी ते रस्त्याची हीट आनी गाडयेचे पोल्युशनान कितें जावंक शकतालें, म्हाकाच जावंक शकतालें वा तांकांय जावंक शकतालें, हो मनान दवरून आमी हो शिफ्टींग केलां.
आतां इतले हायलायट जालो हो इशू, आनी आख्खे गोंय सगळे जाण दे आर किपींग अ कीन आय ऑन दीस इशू एंड वॉचिंग क्लोजली. सो आयच्या दिसा तुजो संदेश कितें?
हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक एकूच विचारूंक सोदता, तुमकां मातपणी काकूळच दिसना? आमी इतले 15 दीस आतां हांगा आसा, आनी आमी भुकेन आसा. सीएम केन्ना एक दीस तरी असो रावन हिंगा येवंक शकता? ताका टायम ना जाल्यार तुका निवडून म्हाका दिसता तुका आमी निवडून हाडून ते खुर्चेक तुका अधिकार कसलोच ना. इफ यू डोंट हॅव टायम फॉर युअर पीपल, यू आर अनफीट CM, and you are really an accidental CM. That is what I can say. Because तुम्ही गोंया येयले, मीस आयकले, आनी एक दीस तुमकां चिंतलें ना की तुमचे वोटर्स हिंगा बसला. हिंगा वोटर्सा शिवाय कोण ना, एकान एक तुम पयशे जाल्यार सगळे वोटर्स हिंगा. आनी जोरी तर तुमचे पोरजेचे तर तुमकां पर्वा ना न्हू, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता सगळे गोंयच्या लोकांक चिंतूंक जाय असले CMाक परतून निवडून हाडूंक जाय वो ना तो. आनी खेरीत भाशेन हांव सगळे डिपार्टमेंटाक म्हणटा, तुमी ब्लेम गेम्स घालिनाका एकामेकाचेर, हेणेन दिले म्हण आपणेन दिले. हे ब्लेम गेम सोडून दिया. एडमीट दॅट यू ऑल हॅव डन दिस फॉर्जरी and say sorry, apologize this, and just finish up this matter, because this is giving a bad example to whole of the country. Even people abroad are asking me, calling me up and asking me what is going on in this Goa, and heritage sites are not being protected. Why they are attacking heritage sites? Why is this bungalow coming up in a heritage site? These are the places where people come to visit. This is a tourist destiny. What example are we setting by these concrete jungles? Please, at least listen to our cry at this moment. We are here to only protect our heritage sites. We are here to protect our Goa. Each and every Goan are here to protect, and not for our selfish desires or anything. We are not here like because we don't have work. We are not here that we have no family. I'm a widow. I have 3 children. I've left them home and I'm here. I'm not thinking whether they are eating or they are doing what. But this government is so selfish government, corrupted government, and a destroyer. I'm very much frustrated on this. But still, we try to calm people. Please, Mr. CM, look into this matter as fast as possible. Don't do your studies everywhere. This is a clear cut picture that it is illegal, admitted by you yourself and all. You all have admitted, the Panchayat has admitted, the TCP has admitted, the survey department has admitted, all have admitted. So when you all know that you all have done such a fraud, please just demolish. We are here only for demolishing and no blame games, please. Just demolition, and we cannot tolerate more.
मॅम अशे गोंयकारा जे जावं भायल्या राज्यान आसा नाल्यार परदेसान आसा ते हो इशू क्लोजली पळयता पूण ते फिजिकली हांगा तेंको दिवपाक ह्या प्रोटेस्टान जॉयन जावं शकना सो तेंकां तुजी कितें मेसेज हाव कॅन दे कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट टू दीस
Actually, they have already contributed to us by giving us a call, and they have told me, Anna, don't give up. And many of my Goans also, they have said the same thing. Anna, don't give up until and unless this is done, because this government is not going to listen, and we need people's power. So I'm also requesting the people who are abroad, please, your families are here in Goa. Please send them also. Please, because we have to save this for a future generation. We are responsible for this because we have elected these politicians, and we have to keep these things because we cannot let them destroy such things. Tomorrow, everything we will have to show our children in plastic models. So this is my message to all the Goans and all the people abroad, to please send your families at this place, that and we'll just support each other as a Goan in one voice. Whether it is Hindu, see, we can see so many Muslims over here. It is not that only Christians are here. All religions are here. Hindus are there, Muslims are there, and they are coming from different NGOs. But still, they have showed so much support for me, and actually, I'm really much grateful to them that they have come in support at this time to us, and I'm really happy. And I, with this spirit, I continue my hunger strike.
मॅम तुमचो न्यूज पेपरान मेन्शन जालो सो तेचेर तुमचे कितें कमेंट्स आसा
Yeah, actually, I was very much upset because I was tagged in a person who was from a other party. I'm not here as a political leader. I'm not here as any political team. But I'm come here representing my village, Chimbel, because we also fought for a heritage site in Chimbel for Mount Carmel, and the same I have started here. So with the blessings of these people and Save Old Goa Action Committee, which are the backbone of this, very hard work was done by them. I really salute them, And I also request them that henceforth we'll all be united for this. Thank you.
मॅम हो क्वेश्चन खास करून तुमकां विचारता बिकॉज यू आर हियर सिन्स डे वन. सो अमित पालेकर जे असले हंगर स्ट्रायकाक,
Yeah.
सो आतां हितून दोन डिस्कशन जाल्या. सो तूं एक सिन्स यू आर देर हियर सिन्स डे वन,
Yeah.
तूं आमकां तें क्लियर करून दी की वॉज अमित पालेकर अलॉंग वीथ द सेव ओल्ड गोवा हेरिटेज कमिटी जे प्रोटेस्ट जाल्ले थंय, सो वॉज इट इन वन एज वन ऑर तो सेपरेट रावलो?
No, actually he had approached me while he was when he entered. He said that he was in solidarity with us, but go to see, the picture became different. He went separately and it became an office of AAP. That was very disgusting. And secondly, there were posters which were mentioning that he was on hunger strike, fast hunger strike in my own village, which is his constituency, which he was going to contest, which the people were very hurted. Because if you see this banner also, there is no names. We were sitting from day one. This madam was sitting, this uncle whose age is 72 years old. A grand salute to him also, that he's sitting here. See, there are so many people over here, they were sitting here. But if you had come in solidarity to us, you would have stayed along with us, not have a luxury life over there. It's very wrong, and you have sent a very wrong message. You have tarnished your own image. The thing was that we had done it in a satyagraha way, and we had timings for us. If you had a solidarity to us, it was your duty to stay with us from 8 to 5 or 8 to 6 at that time. This was only the difference. So I think that it was a political mileage taken by him.
ओके. मॅम पंचायत कडल्यान स्टे ऑर्डर जी आसा, स्टॉप ऑर्डर, ती बिफोर 3rd डिसेंबर येयली, वेरेज अमित पालेकर तेचे ही क्लेम्स ही कट ही स्टॉप दी स्ट्रायक ऑन 3rd डिसेंबर. सो इट वॉज लायक 1-2 days आफ्टर द स्टॉप ऑर्डर, आनी तेणें रिजन दिलें की पंचायतीन स्टॉप ऑर्डर काडल्या म्हणून आपूण हंगर स्ट्रायक आपलो स्टॉप करता. सो हाव डू यू सी दीस?
It's a very good question what you said. That means आम्ही डे वनानसान बसले ती बेकार असलेली हांगा. That is what he is trying to say. He came for support. That doesn't mean that he has got the victory. We are still here because the demolition is not done. Our only one agenda was to demolish. And if he had not stopped his hunger strike, and if he was here, we would have got the victory actually. But because he interfered in this, this is getting delayed now. And he is taking the mileage that I have done this, which is totally wrong. Save Old Goa Action Committee has gone to the deep root. You won't believe, they had sleepless nights, and every time we were discussing how to do it, where to put the RTIs, how to get the documents. I really salute their work, the dedicated work by them. And after coming, like it was just you're coming for Navinas, you're coming for the feast and fairy gaily. This is what he has proved. I'm very much upset about this. And many people told me that Anna, how did you make him enter over here? I said he came in this. I explained to him there were many hoax that he has spread. It is very wrong. Please, माझ्या गोंयकार भाव भयणांक सांगता, असले हेका तुम्ही बळी पडनाका. आमचे अजून कांयच जावंक ना. Stop order dila panchayatin, no, but stop order, I don't think it is fit, because the bungalow is already completed. From the tiles to the ground level, everything, only the doors and the windows are left. Painting is done. So stop order for what? To put curtains, to do the what do you call that, interior decorations, or for what? Or for the inauguration? It's a big question mark to all of us Goans.
मॅम आफ्टर दीस ऑन 4th डिसेंबर एक पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गनायझेशन रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्सान एक आपले जाहीर केलें स्टेटमेंट की जर तेंचो सरकार जालो जाल्यार ते ऑन प्रायोरिटी खंय तो स्ट्रक्चर आसा तो डेमोलिशन करतले. हाव डू यू सी दीस?
They can do it. I'm not saying that they cannot do it, but Why wait for election? We can do it right now. If we have people's power, we can do it right now.
मॅम एक गोंयकार म्हणून गोंयकारांनी हो स्टेटमेंट एक खरें आश्वासन म्हणून पळयचें काय कितें तुमकां दिसता?
ना, गोंयकाराच्या नात्यान हांवें म्हाजी म्हणणी आसा की पिपल्स पॉवर इज निडेड एट दीस टायम. इफ वी पीपल कम ऑन द ग्राउंड, एक फावट गोंयकार उठले जाल्यार सरकारा कडेन त्या गोंयकाराक ओगी करूंक जावचें ना. And I've seen this. I've seen all in many agitations which I have participated. It is only people's power that can bring down the government and nothing else.
मॅम एक सेन्सिटीव क्वेश्चन विचारता तुका. डोंट मायंड मी आस्किंग दीस, पूण इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर मी टू आस्क यू, कारण एक डिस्कशन चल्ला आनी हे डिस्कशन खास करून तेन्ना जालें जेन्ना फेस्ता दिसा जे आमचे स्टेट लेवल इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स आसा तेची एक विडियो आवट जाली जितून दे वर सीन हॅविंग स्वीट्स विथीन द चर्च प्रिमायसीस. सो लोकांचो एक थोड्या लोकांचो एक असो ओपिनियन जालो की द क्लर्जी वीच इज देर तेंच्यांनी शर्मांनी आपल्या हो इश्यू मेन्शन करूंक जाय आसलो म्हणून. सो वॉट इज युअर ओपिनियन ऑन दीस? इज द क्लर्जी ऑल्सो तेंच्यान लोक जशे म्हणटा की दे शूड हॅव मेन्शन. सो तुका दिसता की शूड द क्लर्जी हॅव मेन्शनड इट? कारण तेंचं एक अशें परसेप्शन आसा की जर अशें मेन्शन जाल्लें पयलीं जाल्यार 2-3-4 वर्सां पयलींच खंय तरी जागृताय जावपाची हेचेर आनी ऑन अ पिपल लेवल प्रॅक्टिकल लेवल खंय तरी एक्शन स्टार्ट जावपाचें. So is the clergy responsible, or is it only up to the people ki people should have been self-aware, or is it a balance of both? What do you think?
No, I think so that even if the clergy had taken equally part in this by spreading this awareness, it would have given a big impact on this issue. Because when the word of God is preached from the table of the altar, the people take it very seriously. And so that's why I'm saying again that this also should come from every churches, and this awareness should be made from every churches by every clergy. But but also I can say that I am very happy that the bishop has taken the lead, and he has explained it very well, that it went into each and everybody's heart but not the politicians. It is sad to see that after the bishop saying these words to them, that don't destroy Goa and don't fill your pockets, but still these politicians, they had no wisdom in gone into their brains. I feel so that they need to be brushed up again by such sermons.
मॅम कालूच एक काँग्रेसची कुमारजुआ वर्कर्स जे आसा तेंची प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जाली आनी तेतून तेंच्यांनी आपले स्टेट लिडरशीप जी आसा काँग्रेसची तेंकां मागले तेंच्या कडेन की जो हांगासरलो लोकल पंच आसा हू इज इनवॉल्वड इन द कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर अँड हू इज ऑल्सो अ काँग्रेसमॅन, तेका काँग्रेस कुमारजुआचो ब्लॉक प्रेजिडेंट म्हणून तेका तो पदवी जी आसा जी पोस्ट आसा तितूंतल्यान काडचें म्हणून. सो हाव डू यू लूक एट दीस?
See, he is a punch member now. आम्ही पंचाक कित्याक निवडून हाडटा? आपलो वाडो, आपलो वॉर्ड सांबाळूंक खातीर. जरी तर हो पंच फकत 100 meters away from his house, you see behind his house, and it is here, and तेजे बिझनेसूय थिंगाच चलता रेईचे, whether it is legal or illegal I don't know. But after so much he knows about that place, he was brought up over here, and he knows, he stays very at least at the foundation माता तेन्ना तरी तेणेन ऑब्जेक्शन घालूंक जाय आहलें, बाबा हे वॉर्डान आपल्याच्या इल्लीगल जाता. He is equally to be blamed the first, because the panchayat has every right to look into the matter where any illegality is there. And secondly, the panchayat should be aware what is there in their jurisdiction. I just can't come from Chimbel and put a Gada over here. I have to inform them. So when these things are there, the permissions are, the file is, the proposal has been given to the panchayat. So where were the sarpanch, where were the panch members sleeping? Or have they received from them? They are equally to be blamed. But they are pressurized by the higher ups. That is also there. But I'm saying whatever has happened, please stop this blame games. And we want demolition.
मॅम आतां एक ओमायक्रॉन वेरियंट ऑफ कोवीड-19 व्हायरस हेचो स्प्रेड जाता आनी भारतानूय पावला, गोंयानूय तेचे केसीस सापडलेले आसा. सो गोईंग फर्दर इफ वी हॅव टू फायंड अनादर लॉकडावन, जर सरकाराक दिसलें फाल्यां लॉकडावन घालचें जाल्यार गोंयकारांनी आनी खास करून सेव ओल्ड गोवा हेरिटेज कमिटी हेंच्यांनी आमी कशें हे प्रोटेस्ट आतां फुडें मुखार व्हरपाचो?
See, during the first pandemic, I worked as a COVID warrior. I was the one who went among the people. Maka COVID jaung na. That's by the grace of God, because of my dedication towards the patients. I've even lifted a dead person who was in the house. But this is a total failure from the government. I blame the government for this. If at the first time when we said that to do the lockdown, the government never listened because he wanted revenue. This is the second example. Now in this pandemic also the same thing he's doing. Now when there is a thing, he should have done the lockdown that time only. Why is bringing people from abroad? And after vaccines, what was the use after of taking those vaccines? And people been saying infected again with this vaccines. My son is the victim of that. I'm suffering today. My son is at home. I'm here because of this mismanagement. This tablets given to the people in the kit. I'm the victim. I'm the mother. I'm the victim of my son. It is a very, this is only a business. I feel it is a business because there is a business of mask, there's a business of sanitizer, there's a business of every tablets and everything. It's only corruption. I don't think that there is a virus here and there. In the name of fever, they just do anything. I worked in the health center also. Voluntary help I have given them. There is no ambulance also given. Ambulances are only kept in front of my MLA's house. But for my village, there was no ambulance. I had to beg an ambulance from Street Providence, and I worked on that ambulance. So, what can the government say about this? The government is not serious about this thing. If there is a pandemic like this, then why is for their BJP karyakartas, when they are doing everything, they are going here and there for their campaigning, then a coronavirus spawn gelo. Now we had mass everything. Nobody was detected corona from here. This is only a hoax that is going on in the minds of the people. I feel be positive and have faith in God. Nothing is going to happen.
मॅम जशें तूं जाणा इलेक्शन आतां 2-3 म्हयन्यांचेर पावल्लें आसा. सो देर वील बी अ लॉट ऑफ कॅन्डिडेट्स कंटेस्टींग दीस टायम आनी एस्पेशली फॉर कुमारजुंवा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वी वील हॅव कॅन्डिडेट्स. सो तुमकां तांकां कितें मॅसेज आसा हू वील बी कंटेस्टींग, कारण फाल्यां ते वेंचून येयले जाल्यार दे वील हॅव द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ दीस स्ट्रक्चर.
See, I would say that whoever is the candidate of any constituency, please do not be corrupt and don't be jumping frogs. Stay to your party and work for the welfare of the poor first. The rich has, but work for the downtrodden, and don't make difference or migrant or what. Don't make those difference. All are equal. That's only my thinking.
खास करून कुमारजुवा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या कॅन्डिडेट्साक कितें मॅसेज आसा?
I would say the same thing. Please do not be a corrupt politician. You be a good, set a good example. A new face, I think, is wanted everywhere, because I can't trust all these politicians. ते फकत आश्वासनूच दीत रावता आनी मागीर ते आमचे कितें एप्लिकेशनां येता, आमची प्रपोजल उश्या पोंदाक ते पयशे दिल्या बगो ते तुजे प्रपोजल जावचे ना. They are all corrupted. Don't trust these politicians.
मॅम एनी कन्क्लुडींग रिमार्क्स?
I would request all the Goans, please wisely vote for the best candidate who has worked for you. Not आता येयला आणि आता तांकां elect कोन्नाका. At least let them try for panchayat level also. Please see their work, their backgrounds. Don't just vote for the sake of voting because you're getting money for that. That 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 5000 rupees will only be sufficient for one day if you go for a fair or if you go for a party. But there is a whole 5 years where you will have to weep in tears Please do not commit this mistake again by choosing a wrong candidate because of money. That's all I can say.
Ma'am, any concluding remarks regarding this protest?
See, I'm very happy and I'm very glad to say that when I started this hunger strike, I got so much protest, and people also have said that if the government cannot break this bungalow, we are there. Kenna adon JCP, Kenna adon Paroi, Kenna adon Pikas. People said this, but because we are under this banner of non-violence, we have made them stop all these things, and they have given me so much support. They were telling me, ma'am, you tell us when to come, and they are ready to come. If government wants to take up this challenge to see the people's power, I want the government. Please do not check the patience of the Goans. And all the tourists also from Telangana, and I can show you the book. The tourists are against you, Mr. CM. They are against this bungalow. Please see that. And I'm also telling the panchayat, don't waste your time. Please demolish this. The tourists also are ready to help us in this. And if the government has no money to demolish this, the people have said that they will contribute and they will do this.
नहीं देखा नहीं अभी तक देखा नहीं अभी तक.
They will do this. So please let us know. If you can't do it, we will do it. Please give us in writing that you cannot do it, you don't have funds with you, that we will gather the funds and we will do it.
Ma'am, तुझे म्हणले you found protest. Was it a slip of tongue? Did you find protest or did you find support from people? You mean
No,
to say?
it is the support from the people.
Okay.
It is the support from the people, and I'm very grateful for the support of these people.
Thank
I
you, ma'am.
really thank them from my heart.
Thank you, ma'am. देव बरे करू.
You're very welcome, Kai. And thanks for highlighting this issue, especially taking my long bite. Though I don't know, I thought that I couldn't answer your question because of my health. But I think by this, the blessings of this people has worked on me today, and I'm again back to square one. I would say that we are living in a democratic country, but we have no democracy existing in a few days we are going to celebrate liberation, where we are not liberated only, we are in a slavery. We have no freedom of speech. We don't have freedom to do anything, or we don't have freedom to highlight anything, and there is no justice given to us. This is what I could say before liberation, that Goa should be liberated once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
आम्ही ऐकले अनग्रासियसिका सेव्ह ओल्ड गोवा हेरिटेज कमिटीच्या न्यू स्ट्रक्चर डेमोलिशनच्या प्रोटेस्टाक ती हाजीर आसली आणि तिच्या कडल्यान आमी काही अपडेट्स जाणून घेतले, तसेच काही प्रश्न विचारले तिका, जेचे तिने तिच्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान योग्य ते उत्तरां दिली. आमी आसले सी कायतान इगर्जे मुखार जंय हो प्रोटेस्ट चल्लेलो आसा. म्हाजें नांव प्रसाद कवठणकर, रिपोर्टिंग टू यू फ्रॉम ओल्ड गोवा फॉर गोंयचो पात्रांव न्यूज.